G'day humans, Chris Stead here. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Lenovo Yoga Book 9i Gen 9. It's a 2024 edition. Let's dive in. So this has just landed on my desk and I'm going to be doing a full review of it, so make sure you keep an eye on the channel for that when it comes. But I thought, why not start with an unboxing? And I'm actually quite excited about trying this. So the Lenovo Yoga Book 9i is a real versatile looking machine. It's got the dual screen. You can basically run it vertical, kind of fold it in on itself, run it as a tablet. Like productivity to the maximum with this particular device is what I'm hoping to experience, and a nice, quick, fast machine as well. And there's someone who has got to do a lot of work on the road, in particular design work, where having that second screen, or at home I use a big curved monitor, so I've basically got two screens on it. But having those dual screens when you're working between various creative softwares and everything is a huge win. And even when I'm doing database work, even just normal writing work, just being able to have whatever I'm researching on one screen and whatever I'm kind of typing and doing on the other screen is a huge bonus in terms of productivity, which is what I'm hoping to get out of this device. And make sure you keep an eye on the channel, because I'm really looking forward to seeing if this delivers on that kind of use case. All right, so let's dive in, see what we've got here. So this has come out in the middle of 2024. And if you've kept your eye on my channel, you would have known that I was at the Lenovo Innovate event. Innovate? I think it was called Innovate. It was over in Bangkok earlier in the year, where I was showing off this particular product before release, as well as some of the cool stuff in terms of new hyperchamber, the new cold front hyperchamber cooling system they've got with the Legion series, some stuff on the Legion Go 2 as well. That's all on my channel, so make sure you check that out. But productivity, so little mouse. It's cool. Not every day you get a mouse and a laptop. Alright, so that looks like it's all we've got in the box. So nice and easy. They do a pretty good job with their packaging, Lenovo. Kind of just keeping it nice and stripped back and easy and simple. Okay, what have we got here? There's a little picture of that dual screen I was telling you about. So that's going to slide out, is it? Not easily. Okay. Well, I don't have my glasses on, so I can't really read that, but it looks like 32 gigabytes of RAM in this model. Anyway, I can't read that well enough, but you'll find out in the review. Oh, nice packaging. Look at the little shiny logo there. Very cool. I like how it's got a little recess in there as well on the way around. Not that I'm ever going to look at the packaging again. Sometimes first impressions matter. All right. Bluetooth keyboard. So a few little instructions there on this see-through piece of paper. Congratulations. Your new Yoga Book 9i is 100% covered by Premium Care Plus. Okay. Looks like maybe a backing plate for the keyboard, maybe. Oh, look at the color. All right, I wasn't expecting that. What color would you call that? Kind of almost teal, bit aqua. See what else we got in here. Not supposed to be in that, I suspect. So sometimes, every now and again, we get these media copies. They have had early life, maybe on display at a demo or something like that. Doesn't usually change what's in the box though. Okay, so here's a little pen. This hasn't been used before. How does that come out? So I've never really got into the pens. You know, like Apple's got them, there's a few, you know, Kindles, all kinds of things, but I've never really got into them, but maybe this is the one. Quite nice. I like it's color coded correctly to fit the color of the laptop as well. You can see there. Well, maybe you can't see there. So not too bad, very close. Get rid of some of this rubbish. And there's some, looks like there's some manual stuff in here. So we've got what warranties, instructions. I mean, it's just telling you basically where the ports are and what the ports do for the most part, because, you know, obviously most of the instructions, they lead you on the screen. It's not like it's has to be assembled. Although with this device, actually, with its dual screen and its kind of keyboard setup, there's a little bit more potentially than usual. What have we got in here? Okay, so we've got more things to open. All right, it's keyboard. Oh, very light. It's good. You know, obviously, laptop portable. That's what I want. It's going to be really quite interesting. I was probably, you know, like it's probably not dissimilar really to the size that you would expect from an inbuilt keyboard, right? It just feels so small when it's like in this fashion, and hopefully that kind of sits. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this just kind of magnetized clips so that it sits up at a little angle so you get a little typing on it. But again, I really like the color and the way that the color matches. I mean, I guess it should match right, but still nice. And there's one nice thing down here. What's this? This will be the stand, I think. So like I said, I did see this in Bangkok prior to release and had to play around with it. Yeah, so this is the stand. So I'm not going to embarrass myself by fiddling around and stuffing this up on the fly in the middle of the unboxing, but you can basically fold this in different ways, like so, depending on how you want to set it up. So you can obviously set it up, well, not obviously, but you can set it up so one screen's above the other. You can set it up so one screen's on the bottom. You can set it up so the screens are kind of more vertical and side by side. And this kind of adapts and changes where, you know, you can change the way that this behaves in order to meet the use case that you need. Really cool. Like, just must have been like a fun engineering experiment to get that right. But again, I'm pretty happy with the color matching there. It's going to look really different. Like, you know, walking around dealing with a laptop this color that's dual screening and standing up like that, definitely going to stand out in the crowd. Bit of weight to it. I will say it's quite heavy. I guess it's got two screens going, doesn't it? Let's have a look. Oh, mama, I love it. I really hope this thing delivers. It would be a massive solve to many of my work problems or challenges, let's say. And in here is going to be the power. Well, let's just go have a look at it anyway and see what kind of length cable we're dealing with. Okay, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Okay, so that's, oh, they did warn me it's got a Singapore, I've got an adapter, because this was a pre-release unit, so it's not the Australian plug on it, it has got the Singapore plug on it, but that's okay, that was expected. I'm happy though, it's a little bit of weight in it, but I'm happy that it's not a big block, you know. These things can get ridiculously heavy. And let's just see how long we've got for a cable here. It looks decent length. Oh, cables. Okay. So what's that? I'm gonna go with, it's getting close to 2 meters, I'd say, 1.8, something like that. And that's what it looks like. So that's good. That's not too bad. You know, not amazing, but sometimes they can sell you so short on a cable length it does my head in, pet hate. So I'm pretty happy with that. That's reasonably portable power. All right, so there we go. That's my unboxing of the Lenovo Yoga Book 9i. This is the Gen 9 2024 edition. Keep an eye on the channel. There will be a review coming soon. Isn't it beautiful? It's a beautiful laptop. I really like it already. hope it goes good. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you check out the rest of my videos. I'm Chris Stead. Until next time, I'll check you later. You.